Alright, so I'm going to show you how to get DeepSeek running locally on your machine. So first, you open your browser and then type olama.com. So you have Olama here. Then you click on download. Now check the platform that you're on and then you continue. So you press download to download the software. Alright, so you'll be asked to choose the platforms that you want. I'm on Windows, so I'll just click on download for Windows, but I have the software running, so I don't need to download it again. So when you're done, then you open your file explorer, then you double click on the application. When you double click on the application, you click on install to follow through with the installation. Okay, so when it is done, you realize that it is running in the quick access toolbar. This is it. Okay, good. Now when this one is done, you go to models and then you click on this one, DeepSeek. So we have other kinds of models here, but since you are talking about getting DeepSeek running locally on your machine, I'll just click on this one, DeepSeek-R1, and then I'll choose the number of parameters that I want. So this one is the 7 billion parameters, which is only 4.7 gigabytes. I already have the 32 billion parameters installed. Okay, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to install the one with the 1.5 billion parameters, which is 1.1 gig. All right, so I'll click on that one and then I'll choose this one. I can choose to select and copy, or I can just click on this one to copy. Good. Now when I'm done, all I have to do is to minimize my browser and then click on my terminal. Now the terminal will open. When it opens, just paste it here and then you press enter. So it will pull up the manifest and then it will start downloading. Okay, good. So let's wait till it finishes. Okay, so it is at 34%. You have 5 minutes and then some seconds to wait. Okay, at 71%. Alright, so I paused the video so that the download can just go through. So I'm going to pause it again when it is left with some few seconds. I'll resume and then I'll show you what to do after the download is done. Okay, so now we are at 97%. Okay, so let's wait while it downloads. It'll finish soon, so two, one. Okay, so the download is done. It is verifying it now. Success. Okay, good. So this is what you will get after the download is done. Okay, now you can type slash and then question mark for help. So these are some of the available commands that you can use in the terminal. Okay, but I don't want the terminal stuff. Okay, if you're not that kind of IT expert that's good with terminals, let me show you this way. So you can choose to exit this one. So let's exit this one, and then let me show you how to get DeepSeek in a GUI so that you can just use it locally in a GUI, not in a terminal. Okay, so I'll do /by to exit this one. Good. Now let me close my terminal. All right, when the terminal is closed, you go back to your browser and then you type this chatbox the app/en. Oh, it is saying not found. Alright, so this URL was wrong. So I'll do chatbox ai the app/en. This is the correct URL. Good. So it will open this page for you. Then you click on free download. Okay, then you choose the platform that you want. Okay, you can use it in a browser or you can download it and then use it. So since we are installing it and then using everything locally, I'll click on download. Okay, now I have already downloaded the software, so all I have to do again is to double click the software and then follow through and then install it. Now when this one is done, you can click on your start button and then you search for it. So Chatbox. Okay, so Chatbox, then you open it. All right, so this is it. All right, good. Now when Chatbox is open, you click on settings and then you check the model. Since we downloaded the model from Ulama, we have to choose Ulama API. So you click on this one and then make sure you select Ulama API. Then you choose the model. All right, so these are the models that I have downloaded on my machine. Okay, all these models are running. This one is the current model that I was using, but for the sake of the video I downloaded the R1. Okay, that's the 1.5 billion parameters. So I'll select DeepSeek R1 and then I'll click on save. Good. Now when you check here, the R1 is selected. Okay, good. Selected. Good. So all I have to do right now is to type something. So before that, I want you to know that we are running this one locally and then we do not need internet to run it. So I'm going to turn on my airplane mode to disconnect my Wi-Fi. So you see that the airplane mode is on, so there's no internet access. All right, good. So I'll click new chat and then I'll type something. So what should I type? So what is DeepSeek? What is DeepSeek AI about? Okay, so it's saying okay, so I'm trying to understand what DeepSeek AI is all about from the information provided, blah 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 blah. So this is what it gave me about DeepSeek. So in here it was thinking, all right, and then now it gave me a response here. So DeepSeek AI is an all-in-one artificial intelligence platform focused on providing advanced capabilities across diverse applications. Here is a structured overview of its features and focus areas. Alright, so below are the overview of what DeepSeek is all about. Okay, good. Still here, you see my airplane mode is on, and then I have no internet access. So we have successfully downloaded, configured, and then run DeepSeek locally without internet connection on our laptop. Okay, so that is all. Like and then subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.